Morning, morning. Happy Monday. My week is starting very, very good because our swing trade on Netflix, it's killing it so far. So that swing trade is good. Also, I crossed the 1800 follower subs on YouTube. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for being here every morning. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what I'm looking to trade today, you guys have it on my Discord. I'm watching Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. Three stocks. I also post my analysis on Netflix, but I'm already on Netflix. I enter Netflix on Friday. Yeah. So you guys have my levels on Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Netflix. Also, my levels on SPY and the Q, what I'm looking to trade on SPY and the Q. So yeah, pretty good Monday so far before the market even start. Um, okay, okay, we have like 3 more minutes. Anything you guys watching for today? Mm-mm-mm. So here are the levels for Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Also, you guys have my levels for Netflix. Just take a look, go to Discord, to my Discord, and you have my plan for those trades, for those possible trades. So far, I think those three are my favorite charts. Amazon and Tesla. If we get a pullback, on Friday I was looking to coin, but I decided to wait because coin was looking just like um Netflix. But I'm glad that I decided to wait because I'm sorry, coin now it's under 147, 146, which was the level that I wanted coin to hold. So I'm kind of glad that I was patient enough to wait for today. So coin is no longer on my watch list. Apple, very important to hold 196. I'm trying to decide with how many accounts I want to trade futures. Let's see. Four. I'm gonna trade with a group of four, keeping it small. Yeah, four. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so din 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 din. Riot, qué chévere. Okay, 196 on Apple. That's the one that I'm looking right now. Let's see how much, what percentage we're up on Netflix. Ooh, 43%. Yeah. Look, Apple, 196 on Apple, 57% on Netflix. Okay, I gotta watch this 480 level on Netflix because that's been a brick wall. Mm-mm-mm. Morning, morning. Amazon's looking great, but I think I missed it. Okay, let's be patient here. So far, we're doing awesome if you're with me on Netflix. But we gotta be careful here because buy is at resistance. Who's on Netflix with me? Dang it, I missed Amazon. 150.50 was my level and it just bounced from there. 150. Too late. We need some consolidation or a pullback here. Yeah. I'm looking at Tesla also, but I don't know if I want to just enter here with SPY so close to resistance. So we want to see um Netflix breaking this resistance here and use it as support. That will be extremely bullish. And if you're not on Netflix, that will be your opportunity to enter. The break of this resistance and hold it as support. Ooh, need to turn on my treadmill. Ooh, Apple is rejecting 196. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here on Netflix, even though it's looking awesome. It's up 90%. So yeah, I took a little bit of profits there. 103% on Netflix now. Something that I don't like and I find it a little bit weird is that Apple is under 196, looking pretty weak, but the Q is going higher. Everything else looking pretty bullish. Everything but Apple. Let's see. We need to be patient here because, like I said, SPY it's on a key level of resistance, which, yeah, 472, 472, 471.50, this level here. I think I missed my entry on Amazon and Tesla. Mm. But I'm pretty happy with Netflix. So yeah, I miss Tesla and Amazon, but Netflix is killing it. It's over 100%. So it's up to you guys if you want to take profit, want to keep holding. Your decision from here. So far, it's looking pretty bullish. Let's see what's the next big resistance on Netflix. Oh, what it is right now. So I will say here it has here is a double top. Mm, and the next one, ooh, has a Netflix has a big gap here. Ooh, that's interesting. Why I didn't have that? Wait, wait. Okay, we have a big gap here. Mm. Mm, okay, so 485 is the new level that I want to see Netflix holding because that will be kind of the start of the gap till 557 around there. So yeah, that's the level. So basically right now it's at a double top, and then if you can hold it 485 as support, we have this huge gap till 507 around there, a little bit above to fill. Okay. Mm, but we need to be careful here because a lot of time the start of a gap it acts as resistance. and right now is rejecting. Apple is very weak. Okay, SPY is rejecting there. The Q is not looking too hot. Mm. Netflix was very, very, very clean. When I saw Netflix holding this Thursday low, I was like, okay, I need to enter this one. And I was hesitating because I at one point I said I'm just gonna wait for a Monday to enter this trade. It's rejecting that 485 level. So we'll see. We want to see a strong candle closing holding 486, 485 here. I don't want to see wicks here. Why is Apple so weak? I think Apple is dragging SPY and the Q, like dragging it down a little bit because it's just dying. Just dying. Like, okay, so this type of trading is my favorite type of trading. Like, I know it can be a little bit boring for the stream because I'm not like entering a bunch of trades, but I prefer to just enter one trade and be very like chill and just hold my position, and that's it. But this is how I trade. Like Netflix is a perfect example of how I trade. Oh, it had China news? Okay, thank you, thank you. Well, that's a problem for the market today. Apple being the number one or two on SPY in the queue is not gonna help it to if it goes down, it's not gonna help SPY in the queue going higher. I like this hold on the queue. I just don't like this bunch of wicks at the top. but I like this hold here. Let's see. 405.50 looks like a strong rejection here so far because it was pre-market high and it's morning rejection. In fact, I kind of want to see the Q going back down to 404 because that was my plan. Like on pre-market plan, it was either wait until it goes to 404 and hold it and go higher. I can see it going higher, or losing 404 and I can see it going lower to 400. Let's see what's gonna do. But so far, it's right in the middle. It could definitely hold here and just go higher because it could be doing a weird 3-bar play, but I will prefer, like for me, the perfect entry on the queue will be if it goes down to 404 and holds there. But it's not looking, it's looking weak. It has too many wicks at the top, and that's clear rejection. SPY is looking a little bit better, even though it's right at resistance. I can see SPY going to 472. It kind of looks like flagging, but it had too many wicks here. Let me take this out. I want to see the Q at 404, and the SPY will be at around 470.50, 470.60. Why is this? Okay. Okay, I'm looking at Tesla. Kind of like this Tesla 255 hold. Let's see. Oh, wait. Where is? Dang it! Why my alert didn't pop off? What the heck? Oh, I missed this play. What the heck is that? Why is coin doing that? That's super weird. Kind of like this Tesla possible entry here. It, I just prefer if first the Q and SPY can go lower to my and to my levels, to my support levels. I know Tesla move by itself, but it's still, it could, if it goes lower, it could drag down a little bit everything. Let's see. Tesla and Amazon are kind of looking the same. So I'm looking at the same to do the same thing either on Tesla or Amazon. Want to see kind of like pulling back a little bit. I like this SPY move here. Love Netflix. Netflix looking beautiful. The thing about Netflix is Netflix most of the time does its own thing. It just moved by itself, kind of like Tesla. But you can have other times that it move with the market. So Netflix is a little bit weird, like Tesla. But when you move, man, if you catch that move, you're like, you can make a lot of money. Like I'm doing it right now. Dang it. I'm almost 100, I'm 180% up on Netflix. What a beauty. Um, when I entered Netflix on Friday. No, before Margaret, it was I think around before lunch. Don't remember. Let me check. Um, no, it was in the morning at 10:20, 10:10 in the morning on Friday. And I entered big. So I'm up a lot today, like a lot. Okay, Apple is coming back to life. Hmm. Amazon is tempting me here. I think I'm gonna enter Amazon because I like how it's consolidating above VWAP and INEMA. I just don't like this resistance on SPY. Hmm. Decisions. I'm gonna enter with a small position on Amazon. Um, gonna be weekly, obviously. Today's Monday. Let me see. 152.50. Small position. I'm doing it with a little bit on Netflix profits, the one that I locked when the market opened. So I entered Netflix with 40 contracts. I sold five, so I'm holding 35. A lot. Honestly, I don't need any any other trade. I'm pretty much done. If Amazon can like hold here, that will be just a little plus. So I basically want to see Amazon holding the VWAP pretty much. Tesla is looking exactly pretty much like Amazon. Yeah, look pretty much want to see Tesla holding the VWAP. Yeah, is the Q gonna break this level of resistance here? That's the thing. The Q needs to break this resistance here. SPY is not looking too hot. In fact, I don't like this pie chart. Like the daily chart, it has too many weeks and the candles, like the body of the candles are too small. I don't like that. I like more charts like QQQ where you can see clear like direction, clear candles body. But it's still going smaller and smaller, which it means that it is coming for a pullback or is losing strength. When you see something like that, like you had a huge candle and then you have a smaller one, that's indecision or consolidation, but it's these one are ugly. Mm. Okay, we want to see the Q here holding it. That's the level that I want to see holding it. Maybe doing a break and retest. I looked if I can see the Q doing here break and retest, I may look to enter in futures. Beyond the fat candles, yeah. Guys, what Tesla here? Tesla is consolidating on a flag holding VWAP. So this could be another good opportunity to enter. It looks kind of like I said, it looks like Amazon, pretty much the same thing. You want to see Tesla holding this level here around 256, 255, the VWAP. Ooh, that's an ugly reaction on the Q. If these candlesticks close like that, that's an ugly, ugly reaction. How can you know if it is a three-bar play if you don't even have you need to have the third bar opening before knowing it's a three-bar play. And I only trade three-bar plays on the day. I only look to trade that candlestick pattern on the daily. But yeah, you can find it on any time frame, but you don't know if it is a three-bar play until the third candle kind of opens. Hawks killer. A retest here of 485, 486 could be a good re-entry for Netflix. Ooh, I entered here in the I entered with 4, but that was a mistake. Let's see. Okay, that was a mistake, but whatever. I wanted to enter it with 1 micro on each account. I have 3 PAs and 1 evaluation account on that group. Okay. Okay, I got out 520 on that. Mm, let's see. Mm, 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 mm. I entered here by mistake with 4 micros on 1 evaluation account that I had, and I wanted to enter with all my PAs. So I had to get out. But that was the entry, and I think I missed it. But let's see if this pie can break this resistance here. If the Q give me another pullback to 405.70, 405.80, I'll re-enter. Oh yeah, I did. I made 500 there. Mm, 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 mm. There was no indication for me to get out. I just made a trade. I bought too many minis by mistake on just 1 account. So I decided to get out just because I didn't want to make like be red by mistake. So 500, I was like, okay, 500, I'm good with that. Mm, mm. So how you guys doing so far? You make any money on anything? Amazon is looking great. I really, really like Amazon. So I pulled a huge inverse head and shoulder that Amazon have, and I might take a long swing for next year. Let me see. Yeah, I'm buying 170. It's extremely cheap. Uh, for January 26th. I'm not even gonna look that trade. It's just like a very long swing trade based on a inverse head and shoulder that I post on my Discord that Amazon has. So that trade can go to zero and I don't care. I have mental stop losses on my swing, on all my trades, but not on this Amazon one. This one that I'm gonna hold for weeks, maybe a month. I don't have a stop loss. It's too cheap. Mm, 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 mm. Anybody got Tesla? Tesla was a perfect retest here. Who got Tesla here? That was too easy. Very easy trade. Amazon's looking fantastic. Netflix too. Yeah, pretty happy with my Monday. In fact, I'm pretty much done. I kind of want to trade another futures. I kind of want to do another futures trade, but I don't want to force anything. Mm, 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 mm. Look at the DA. I don't understand what you said, Mohammed. Uh, Look at the DAX chart falling to fill gap. QQQ. The thing is, like I said it a bunch of times, the bigger time frames on SPY and the Q are bullish. So for me, I'm not looking to trade the downside. Even if we have a red day, I don't care. I'm not looking to trade a downside. If SPY or the Q or anything pulls back, I'm willing, like my trade is like I'm gonna wait. If we have, let's just say we have a red day, we have a pullback. I'm just gonna wait until anything that I'm looking to trade go to my support level, and I'll be looking to play the upside because the bigger picture is bullish. So I'm not looking to trade any puts, any downside. And I'm fine if I missed a big red day. That's fine for me because even if we have like a big red day, one, the SPY and the Q are still bullish. Like the weekly, daily, um, monthly, it's pretty bullish. So if SPY goes here, like reject hard here and goes to 468, I don't care. I'll just wait until show me that it's gonna hold here and play the upside, or just wait to 466 and wait for some confirmation that it's bullish at this support and I play the upside. December by history is a very bullish month. Okay, let's see what's the big next oops next resistance on Amazon here. Let me clean this chart a little bit. Mm, oh, that's right. Amazon, is it at all-time high? Let me check. Oh no. Okay. Okay, okay. So we have on the weekly, we have resistance here. Take this out. Take this out. Yeah, 470. What I'm gonna do the resistance here. And on the daily. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, 454, 455. It's kind of a resistance here on Amazon. What? A stock giving breakout. What? Um, okay. The next one is, we'll say 158. Around 158. I like round numbers. Mm -mm -mm. But yeah, 155, 154 is the next big resistance, and then the next one is around 158. It has a little gap here. It has a little gap here. Put it blue. Nothing significant, honestly. Take this out. Gonna do this. Gonna clean this chart here. Morning, morning, buenos dias. let's clean this chart here and start from 0. Okay. Clear support here, 150. Okay, 150. That was a beautiful, beautiful start of the morning there that I missed that entry, but whatever, it's still looking pretty good. Okay. I will say the next big one is 158. 158. It has a little bit of resistance here around 154 also. Next one, it will be, I will say this gap here, little gap. Mm-hmm. Is it the all-time high? Nope. Okay, one, I will say 171. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. I don't know what Netflix is doing now. Netflix looks like it's flagging. Ooh, and the Q2. Um, gonna go with the small size. What is Apple doing? Wait, yeah. Gonna go with a small size on the Q. If it goes down to 405, I'm gonna add more. Yeah. Okay, let's keep doing this with Amazon. So yeah, this gap is gonna act as resistance. 154. I will say kind of like this. There's resistance here. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. So after 154 resistance, we have 158. Well, it has a little bit at 156. You can see a little bit of resistance there too. So I guess I'm just gonna put a line there and then see how it's gonna react. But I will say the main ones are 154 and then 158. Yeah. Anybody took Tesla? Tesla was so easy. Why this group thing is not working? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was talking very, very low. Uh, Mm-mm. So I got a few DMs asking me about the mentoring program, if I was gonna do a special sale for Christmas, and I might do, but I'm not gonna do it for everyone. So I'm only gonna give you guys a special discount code for the ones that I want to take it for. So you pretty much got it right now, and then we start on next year, so on January. So we start with the right food for 2024. So if any of you want to do the mentoring with me, just shoot me a DM and I'll send you a special Christmas discount code. And we start next month. Yeah, I'm looking the gap on Netflix. So this is my support now. Hmm. I like how the queue is looking. I just don't love spy here. It might reject here. But Netflix, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I think as long as it's holding 485, even 482, it's extremely bullish. And Apple is turning around and is using now the VWAP as support, so that's gonna help the market going higher, or at least the Q. Mm, 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 mm. Your next resistance on Tesla is 260. 260. Mm, 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 mm. This is how we do. Send me a DM and I'll send you everything that you need to know about the mentoring program. So, the first thing that you guys need to know if you want to take it is, you need to be able to keep your emotions in check before trying to trade. That's the first thing. Because I had people that I was mentoring, um, and their mindset were not right. So obviously their trade, no matter what it said, they first of all they didn't follow my indications. Secondly, yeah, if your mindset is not in the right um like track, you're not gonna be able to do trading right, honestly. um Second thing is the mentoring program is not a course. It's a place where you and I, it's one-on-one. We do video calls 3 times per week on during 2 weeks. It's an intense mentoring that I do for 2 weeks. And so what we do there is, first of all, I we talk about your bad habits, your good habits, and then based on your personality, how your schedule, that's very important because some people only can trade in the morning, other people can trade the entire day, other people are busy with work or kids. So based on your schedule, your personality, we um pretty much made together a trading plan that you can follow through and like do it every single day pre-market. And yeah, we talk about your traits, my traits, and pretty much I answer any of your questions, and I give you my step by step trading plan, how I find how first of all how I plan my trading day every single day, how I do my pre-market plan, how I find my levels, how I read the charts, and how I'm able to hold for so long and take 200, 300, 1,000% trades. So yeah, it's a mentoring program with me. So basically, I pretty much hold your hand through 2 weeks of trading. But it's not gonna work if you don't put um pretty much time and effort on it, because on each class I'm gonna give you little homeworks that you need to do. You need to do. Also, if I tell you don't do this, please don't do it. You're literally paying me to tell you what to do, and when I tell you what to do, you don't follow through, so it's obviously it's not gonna work. Mm, 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 mm. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna do this last discount for Christmas, not for everyone, only for people that are really, really looking to start the next year with the right food. And just send me a DM if you're interested on it. On Apex, well, you have the link here. You use my code, you get the discount, and on Apex website, you have the entire info that you need to start using Apex. Oh, and Apex now, so now with Apex, you only need 1 day to trade. If you passed your account, you're gonna have your PA in 1 day. You no longer need 7 trading days to pass your evaluation accounts. Yeah, I know, right? It's crazy that I have so many people like they pay me for the mentoring and they don't do what I tell them to do. Like I basically tell them like do this like a very structured plan how to trade, and they just don't do it. Or we made like a schedule for all classes, and they don't come to the classes. So it's weird. So you basically pay and don't use it. I always say use me. It's weird to say that, but it basically is like you're paying me to help you, but you don't want to help yourself. I don't use the 9 EMA daily. Wait, give me 1 second because the market is coming back down. But I've seen people using the 9 EMA daily. More the 8. I think the 8 EMA daily. And it kind of works. I just don't like having too many indicators on my charts. Mm, that's weird because whenever you pass an account on Apex, they pretty much email you the same night. I don't know, that's your decision if you want to hold Amazon. I already told you guys what's my plan, so it's up to you what you want to do there. Um, let's see Hood. So Robinhood, it needs to hold 11.50. That's the level that it needs to hold. If not, it's gonna go back down to at least 11 or 10.50. Mm, 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 mm. And for Amazon, I'm very bullish as long as it's holding 150. Mhm. So if you're having problems with Apex, just send them a email. They answer pretty fast. Okay, 472, 472, SPY. SPY needs to break this high and use it as support. It looks like kind of want to, but I'm not super confident because these candlesticks here are kind of weak. I want to see like a few candles here. Mm, mm, mm. On Discord. Go to my Discord and send me a message there. So, mm, mm, mm. So you guys have all the info about the mentoring program on that link on my Discord, where on the mentoring section, you have everything that it's included, the price, everything what it's about, and if you want to start, you want to start next month, but get the Christmas discount, just send me a DM. Mhm. Um, UPS, what's UP, what? UPST, Upstart. Um, I don't know, honestly. It maybe it's doing this again, maybe, but I think as long as it can hold, I will say this level here looks bullish. If it can hold this level here, looks bullish. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, Apple is starting to look bearish. Let's see if the Q can hold this 405, 405.50. If not, I'm gonna get out. But so far, it's not looking too good. Mm. I've never traded oil, honestly, but I like to keep my trading simple. For futures, only NQ and ES. I don't wanna. It's just I don't wanna watch more charts. Mm, mm, mm. That rejection's looking ugly. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so if the Q cannot hold this level here and view up, I'm getting out. But I don't love this chart on SPY. Like, I can easily see a SPY going lower. Well, we'll see. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Apple is starting to look very weak again. Um, Netflix, I took some profit and I'm holding, but I'm holding most of my position because it's still very bullish to me. Can it pull back? Yeah, yes, for sure. But I think as long as it's over, um, I would say 476, 480, 486, it's very bullish. In fact, as long as it's holding above 470, it's very bullish. Mm. I'm watching Apple because I think Apple is dragging the market down, so and it's looking pretty weak. It's just rejected VWAP and it's still under 196. So I think Apple under 196 is very bearish. At least for today. Just for today. But let's see. The Q and SPY are fighting here. Mm. So basically, we want to see. Uh, let's check this out. We want to see SPY breaking this resistance and holding this support. But it's not looking good, too good. And same with the Q. Mm, yeah, this support here. Basically VWAP on both. Amazon is starting to look weak also. We want to see Amazon holding the VWAP here. I'm gonna hold Amazon as long as it's above 150.50. So for me, Amazon is extremely bullish as long as it's holding this little level here, pretty much Friday high and Thursday high. SPY, not holding, that's extremely bearish. Damn, what's going on there? What happened there? That must be some news. We have data? Ooh, this move here, it's pretty bullish because it means it doesn't want to go lower. Let's see how this 5 minute candlestick is gonna close. If closes holding VWAP, that's pretty bullish. If closes under VWAP, it's bearish. Yeah, that was a weird candle. That was weird. Maybe we had some news, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just basically waiting, basically waiting to see if the queue is gonna stop me out or not. It's taking forever. So Amazon is looking just like a queue, and Tesla is holding pretty good so far. Spy is the one that I don't like. I don't like Spy because it's not holding the VWAP. I feel like I'm gonna get um I'm gonna have to close my futures trade here. Let's see, let's see. Okay, that was it. That's a good reaction there. No, it's not. That is not. Um, mm, mm, mm. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, Spy is definitely not looking good. Um, but the Q is kind of holding. But it's looking weak. So if you don't want to lose money, get out. Okay, I got out. Yeah. So red day, futures is a small red day, very small. But yeah, options. Pretty happy with my options trade today. If the Q holds here and this 30-minute candle closes holding these line of support for 405.80, 405.75. I'm gonna be so mad because that's gonna be pretty bullish. I just don't like SPY. Don't like SPY. I trade both, but mostly micros. So over there, I just closed my, I had micros. And the first trade was one mini. But I don't recommend trading minis. I recommend trading micros. Minis, you can blow up your account so fast with minis. So fast that it's not worth it. I like how the Q is holding. I just don't like how weak SPY is. I don't like SPY under the VWAP. But the Q is fighting there. I like Amazon and Tesla are holding VWAP pretty good so far. But like I said, my perfect entry on the Q will be 404. So I'm gonna put a alert here before 404, and I might, if the Q goes down there near 404, just gonna trade a trade. I'm gonna take a trade on futures. Um, mm, mm, mm. What time is it? Almost 11. So yeah, it's almost my time to get out of here. Um, what else? What else? Okay, so pretty happy with Netflix. I'm gonna hold Netflix. There's nothing, like nothing telling me to not hold Netflix unless it loses. Let's see, what's my level? I will say today's low. Today's low, it will be my stop loss because that way I'm still green. So yeah, today's low. I'm gonna put an alert around 482 just to see if I want to take more profits here. If not, here. Amazon 150 today's low also. It's my stop loss for Amazon. So yeah, 150.50 around there. It's my, I'm sorry. Yeah, 150.50. It will be my stop loss on Amazon. And yeah, for around 404, it will be my other entry for the queue. Uh, for SPY, the thing is I don't like SPY. This maybe if SPY fill this gap, so I will say kind of like that. Any holes there for around 470, 470.50 could be another one. But if this 30-minute candle closes like this, that's pretty bearish because it's engulfing the one before. So that's change of direction there. It should be expected, right? Because that was a double top for SPY. Clear, clear, double top. So it was risky trying to play the upside so close to this rejection level. So I will say it's stupid of me holding my play there, my upside on the futures, but whatever. What else? Yeah, 4 more minutes for 11 and I'm leaving. So please guys make sure. So if you're following me on my trades, please make sure you understand why I'm taking them and what's my plan. I always say my plan for those trades. So it's up to you if you want to take them, if you want to log profits, if you follow the plan, and if you understand um that trading is risky and any trade that I take it can go red. So it's your decision if you want to cut it, take profit, or take the trade. Not on me. Then, if you don't understand why I took Amazon or Netflix, go to my Discord and you have my pre market plan and you know why. This is very choppy, like very choppy. And if we see the daily on SPY, this trading this is not an A plus at all, like at all. So I will say to trade, it will be better to just wait for clear consolidation, clear levels, because even though SPY, it looks like it's like respecting here some levels, if you see the candlesticks are weird, just kind of weird. You want to see something like the Q's definitely better, and it's showing you a clear rejection of this level. This level here. Yeah, clear rejection of this level here. And you have like bigger candles, bigger bodies on the candlestick. Like I think it's easier to read than these bunch of wicks with empty spaces in between. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being here. We are 18, we crossed the 1800 subs. So happy. I want to get to 2K subs. So I need like 200 more people subscribing to my channel. Let's see if we can get there. That will be my Christmas gift from you guys. But oh, another thing is like DM me if you have any ideas, any suggestions for the stream so we can implement it for next year, for next month, pretty much. Anything you want to see on the stream or anything that you want to see me doing. Obviously related to trades. No weird things. Only related to trades. Okay, it's 11. So, I'm done. Okay, don't trade this. This is super choppy. Just wait until A plus setup. So far, it's not here. This is SPY and the Q chopping around in between resistance and support, but it's right in the middle. So be patient enough. Just put alert at support and resistance and just leave your computer. And when the alerts pop off, you go back to the charts and see what's going on. and make a decision. But as of now, it's almost lunchtime. Spy and the queue have no clear direction so far, just chopping around. So when you have a chart like that or price action like that, that's a recipe to lose money. Like it's easy, easy to lose money. If you play the upside, it can stop you out here and go lower. If you play the downside, it can stop you out and go higher. So it's in between two levels. Just be patient, put alert, and wait. Okay. So, Friday streams? Maybe, yeah, I can do this Friday. I'll do this Friday. I gave it to you. I'll do this Friday. This Friday. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for the likes. See you mañana.